Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the split screen view for the multitasking. Of course, we are talking about the OPPO Reno 15, so don't worry, I get your device. So the first thing that you may think about is that on the older phones of OPPO or these phones that didn't have this bottom bar, we had this gesture from the bottom to the top, but now it opens mind space, not split view. Now, in modern times, to use the split view, we need to hold this bottom bar while having some application open. Let's say, for example, Gmail. Now we need to move this application to the top left corner. Here, while we do have this application, wait a moment. While we are having this application over here, we can open any other application, and with this bar we can either drag here these applications and extend them or descend them. If we tap this button, we can tap swap sides, etc, etc. And to exit this, we need to just open this application view mode and close our application. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.